Sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing a subscription box that a lot of you guys have recommended for me to check out. And I just want to say before I read this, I'm very sorry for cussing. I don't like to cuss because I like to keep it PG on my channel. But it's the title, so I kind of have to. So I'm sorry if that offends you guys. I hope it doesn't. But today we're unboxing the Smartass and Sass subscription. And then over here it says classy, sassy, and a little bit smart-assy. Now I would not consider myself to be a sarcastic person. I have a very dark sense of humor. I probably cross the line that shouldn't be crossed when it comes to my sense of humor, but I can appreciate sarcasm. So, with that said, I'm opening it up. Oh, I'm already liking this. Okay, it says Smartass and Sass, and then there's a picture of a donut, and it says bite me. So, yeah, okay, so, I'm actually, like getting this, I was like, okay, like kind of excited, but now that I'm like, you're here in my hands, I'm like, so excited. Okay. So, the first thing, I don't remember how much this was, and I'm so sorry that I don't, but the first thing that I'm pulling out is this soft, stylish, and super absorbent towel, and it's salt shakers, and it says kind of salty. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so fun and so different than what I was expecting. I like getting like housewares and kitchen stuff in my boxes. It's a lot different than what people normally send out, so that's super fun. We have a bunch of pink snakes, so I have to like dig through that. Okay, the next thing that I am pulling out is this, what are they? Chip clips. Oh, they're chips. Oh my gosh, I need some of them. All my veggies are like, please just close me up and don't expose me to air. I won't go bad so fast. I'm like, I'm sorry, veggies. I keep forgetting to buy chip clips. So here's what they look like. The top one says all the Pringle ladies. The next one says Carbadium. The next one said let's get stuffed. And the last one says just a nip before I clip. So that's fun. Okay, this is a lot different than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like cuss words here and there, but nope. We good. Oh my gosh, there's a pretzel. It says things to buy, things to put in my mouth. And it says non-mouth things, and it has a little toilet paper. And we got a pretzel over here. And it says 50 sheets. Oh, and it has a magnet on the back. So far, this has all been like useful stuff, and that is what I'm down for. I don't like it when subscription boxes send me stuff that I literally can't use, and it's just a collectible, and it collects dust, and it clutters everything up. No, I want things that are actually useful, and I'm so excited that I'm actually been getting that in this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, hold on. Okay, you know what? I already gave you guys a warning. So it says fancy cinnamon gum, and it says, bitch, I am the secret ingredient. That's a mood. That's a mood right there. I relate to that. That's exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like that. The next thing we got here is another notepad, and it says, as for me and my house, we will serve tacos, chips and queso, 24/7. That's cute. I mean, like, I'm not in love with like getting like two note card things. However, they are very different and they're not like connected. Like, this is just for like notes, and I totally could use a notepad, so like, why am I even complaining? Oh, okay. I think we have a cutting board here. Oh my gosh, my mom's gonna be so hyped about this. Okay, she's gonna be like, oh, yes, it says chop it like it's hot. That's so fun. Totally bamboo cutting and serving board. Yes, see, this is what makes me so freaking excited, are these useful things. Yes, okay. I'm so sad that this box is ending. Like, I kind of don't want it to end. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out, oh, actually, there might be more in here. Oh yeah, there's something else in here. Okay. What is this? Is this a lunchbox? Oh, it's a lunchbox! Guys, it's a lunchbox. Okay, it says, I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry. Hangry. It's a legit lunchbox. Yo, that is so cool. I'm gonna punch it so like we can see how massive. This is a big lunchbox. Oh my gosh. It's like really big. Oh my gosh, I've never received a lunchbox. It's so cool. Okay. And then the absolute last thing that I received in this box is a pen, and it says, bite me. And honestly, I love pens. I love stationery and stuff like that, so this has me super excited. And plus, I got a little cute note card to match. Okay, let's talk about this for a hot second. Why have I been sleeping on this box? Because, I don't know. I'm so sad that I haven't tried it again because, why don't I have another box sitting here for me to unbox? Because everything in here has been like useful. Okay, it's a little bit more adult than I was expecting, and by adult I mean like household stuff and not like pins and other kind of stuff like that. It's honestly, I was kind of expecting it to be on the same line as Quirky Crate, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, but I like that it's not completely like Quirky Crate because this is more like adult, so it's like sassy stuff that you can use in your everyday life. So you can have like a tissue box that just says like a mean comment, or like a funny mean comment, or like this pen that says bite me. Like I could still use this pen and still like let my inner mean personality like come out and everything. I don't have a mean personality. I just cry about a lot of things. That's like the mean streak that I have. But I'm so hyped about this box. I feel like this is like the adult version of Quirky Crate, and I'm here for that. And I had a cutting board, a lunchbox. Heck yes, thank you guys for recommending me this because I'm so pumped right now. I had to say the thing that I'm like not the most pumped about is I got 2 of these, but this is the one that I don't like the most. But it's not that I don't like it, it's like this one, the chips and queso one, is more exciting for me, but this will go to use. So what did you guys think of this Smartass and Sass subscription box? I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh, so like was not prepared for this. So I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. What was the item that you loved the most, and would you like to see another unboxing of this subscription on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.